It's your girl Rebecca. Welcome to Rebecca's World. And as you can see, I'm back with another video. 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 Oh! So today's video is a Projects for Rebecca video. We'll be making glass album covers. So get your materials together and let's get crafting. But wait, before we get into the video, you already know you gotta like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Share with everybody, share with your family, your friends, your neighbors, your neighbors' family, your neighbors' family. Just share with everybody. So you're gonna need printouts of your songs, glue or tape. I recommend tape, but I can't find any tape right now, so I'll be using glue. You're gonna need this marker, which is the Sharpie paint marker, which works on woods and glass, your paintbrush, and your frames. I got these from Walmart. You can definitely get these from Dollar Tree. I was being impatient, so I just got it from Walmart, but it was like $1.79, $1.39, so it wasn't that bad. But yeah, and I also got the 8.5 by 11, which is the size of printer paper. So I knew when I printed these out, I knew how exactly it was going to look, or how big everything was, because it's exactly the same size. But you can do different size frames. You're just going to have to kind of resize, print, and just kind of figure out the sizing that you want or will fit on the frame. So yeah, let's get into the video and make some albums. Oh, and you're going to need scissors. Now we can get into the video. So if you're using glue, you're going to want to take a little bit of glue, just a little, and make sure it's like a thin layer on each corner. Really, that's all it takes. So thin layer. Thin layer, and we're gonna want to wait till it dries, so it's kind of like clear and you don't really see too much of the glare. So we're gonna wait for that. While you're waiting, you can take the glass out of the frame. Trying to wipe it off. It's still gonna get dirty, but just try to wipe it off as best as you can. So it's almost dry, so I'm gonna just put it on there now. Now trace over all the black writing with the Sharpie marker. You can see like you're not gonna get it how it is on the paper due to how big it is. If they had made like a smaller marker like this, probably would have came out more neater or more precise. I think this is pretty good. I would recommend taping this down, but I don't have no tape, and I'm not gonna glue it down because I don't want to mess it up. So I'm just gonna hope that it stays in place and just try my best not to move it. When doing this, I recommend starting from like the top and going down so you don't smudge as you're like writing. This is how it looks. Shake it up to, you know, get it going. If you mess up, you can use nail polish remover and you can redo it if you mess up. The numbers seem too small to trace, so I think I'm just gonna freehand this part, the number part. And the number is like, it's like my favorite part of the song. So you can either do it this way or you can just put like 0, 0, 0 and then however long the song is with just a line instead of the dot, or you can do it this way. Here I'm showing you what to do if you mess up with the marker. So you're just going to take a Q-tip and use nail polish remover and just erase where you messed up. So I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and drawing these lines freehanded was just not working for me, and it was just getting me frustrated. So I just took the paper that came within the frame and used it as a ruler to trace these lines, and it made it so much easier. I should have done this from the beginning. So if you have a hard time drawing lines, just use a piece of paper. It makes the whole process easier.